Hi, this is John from Final Cut Pro Classes, and today's tutorial is about how to copy your library or project, as most people call it, to another drive to give it to another editor maybe, or to just back up your library so that you have an exact duplicate of it with all the media intact. So let me show you how that works. So here, as usual, I made a random project and all the media is there, and I want to give this project to another editor. If I go to my desktop, I'm going to hide Final Cut Pro for a second. I see that my library is here, but I can't just copy this to another drive because not all the clips reside in this library. So if I open up this library and I say show package contents and I go to the footage, I can see in the original media that these things reside in the library, but all these clips reside outside of the library because they have the little arrows, so they're alias. They actually reside in this folder here. So that happens when you go to Final Cut and you're importing, and sometimes this button is copied to library and sometimes it might be set to leave files in place. If it's set to leave files in place, that means it's only referencing those files. So in order to make sure that this library has everything in it, if I click the library itself and I go to the library properties, which is if you hit the inspector button, you'll see the library properties pop up when you have the library selected. And all you have to do is say consolidate. So if I say consolidate, it's going to consolidate all the media that comes from all over my computer into that library. It's going to copy the files into it. So if I hit OK, then if I look in the library again, if I hit Final Cut Pro and I'm going to hide it again, and I say show package contents, and I go to footage, and I go to original media, I can see now that all the files in my library are residing in the library. So basically then I can take this library icon here, copy it to another drive, give that drive to somebody else, they will boot it up and all the media will be there. So let me show you a scenario, what happens if you don't consolidate and media is outside of the Final Cut Pro project. So if I hide Final Cut Pro and I go to my library and I say show package contents, I go to footage, original media, and I delete these clips here and just put them in the trash. They're still in the clips over here, so I'm just going to relink them. So now I go back to Final Cut Pro. That stuff goes offline. Okay, I can relink them to the folder on the desktop, so I'm going to do that. I'm just going to click everything, select all, file, relink files to original media, and I'll say I'll locate them. I know they're on the desktop in here, and I just hit choose. So it relinks everything. And here, sometimes it takes a minute to pop that in. So it relinks everything, but let's say that I just copy the library without these linked clips in it. And that's what exactly is going to happen. Everything will go offline. So now if I copy this library and give it to somebody without consolidating, and I boot it up, all those clips will go offline for the other editor. So you want to make sure you consolidate before you send a project somewhere, and that way everything will be inside that library. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe or like if you want, and see you next time. Thank you.